Honey Bear. Do we want to play today? Oh, yes, we do. I see you.
Dairy Queen has ice cream cakes.
I know. Honey Bear. Oh. Come on, honey. Hi. Baby. Oh, let go. Let go. Let go, baby. Oh. You're so strong. She's like, I found you out. You scared her inside her box. Funny. She's like, I ain't scared. I'm waiting for a plan of attack. Come on. Take out her box. I'm scared to move it. Take it outside.
These things look so good.
Dairy Queen. Oh, look go. Honey. Who's being a curious kitty?
Waffles. Waffles and drums.
Ah! Grace is getting that lunch. Okay. Oh no! Oh no! You're in a very playful mood today, aren't you? Up. Let's get out of the box. Come on. Yes. Come out of the box. Come out of the box. Come out. Over here. Baby. You see it? You see it? You gotta get out of your box. No. Baby. Nicole. Who's being a greedy kitty?
Oh my god, this quesadilla basket looks so good.
Oh my goodness. Who's being so feisty? Who's being so feisty? Huh? Huh? Hey, why you turn around? Why you turn around in your box? Huh? I thought we were playing. Why did you turn around? Did you fart? Did you fart? Is that a fart face? That might smell stinky. Did you? Huh? Is that why you turned around? Let me know. I'm talking to you. Hey. Hey, honey. Yes, you. I'm talking to you. Is that the I don't want to play face? No more? Are we tired? Oh! Oh no, we're not tired. We just want to play in our box. But that's boring, baby. That's too boring. Cause, you're always in your box. How about we run around? How about we run? Huh? We don't want to run? Why not? Why not? How come? How come we don't want to run? She's like, I've had enough. I've had enough for one day. Oh? Oh! Oh? Oh, did you hurt yourself? Baby. Who's the bunny baby? Oh! Oh! Wow! You're a feisty baby. Huh? Okay. We'll end right here. We'll say bye-bye. We'll say bye-bye. I think you did fart.